Welcome to Passport to Learning, your gateway to studying abroad, made simple.
Hello, friend. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty God. So today I am going to show you how to apply uh, THI University Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt or Technical University of Ingolstadt. So click here, THI application portal, and click here application portal, previous student portal. No, actually you have to apply, so click here. This is the application portal, previous application portal. Actually I already applied for this university, so this is why it show the all the details. So how can I show you actually the whole process from the beginning? So yeah, click here, register for the online application, and give your details: family name, given name, private email, like Deggendorf University, DIT, Deggendorf Institute of Technology, like this, and then click here, registered for online application. And after clicking here, you will get a email, and from the on that email you will also receive one link. So you will have to click that link, and you will make sure your password there. Okay, so after completing that, then you will give your email address and password and click sign in. Actually you see I already completed the application. So I am for that I am informing you status of your application, upload new documents, or like this. No, this is not like DIT. I will give you the DIT's applications video on the description box. So the whole system is like DIT, uh, Deggendorf Institute of Technology. I already showed you actually the process of application. This university's process is almost 90% similar like DIT. So this is why I am not showing you the all process. From here you will see that actually your application is complete and not completed. So you have to give your all personal details, then educational background details, then your information about your previous education, higher education. After completing all these, then you will uh, click here, select the course like this, and select summer semester, no restriction, no actually master's program, uh, course in English, first semester. For example, I am just showing you for application process. Global engineering, international automotive engineering, retailer, and I'm just showing you up for socio-technology, cyber security, like this. So they are giving you information about the courses found here. In addition, the select interview will be contacted. The faculty contact your email and interview. Please correct the state of information. I mean, actually, maybe then you will continue here. Try to read out all the details, and from here, how you know about this university for my student, and click here yes, and also click here yes I am, and click here yes. All try to read before, as I applied for this university, so this is why for showing you earlier I'm just selecting. But must remember that each and every semester they are changing their requirements. So this is why before selecting this, try to read it out. If you do not understand, then copy it and ask ChatGPT. I hope ChatGPT will give you the proper answer, then save it. uh, pre-approved admission. No, actually I did not have any admission letter. um, you will be what see, actually I already applied for this, and see, actually the last course is sent, uh, socio-technical cybersecurity masters. This course I did not send the application, so before sending the application I will have to fulfill all the documents. So see, actually upload documents, it's almost like DIT. See, actually, and must remember that uh, when your application process is like that, like THI Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt or DIT, then after uh, submitting your documents you will see that received, and then when they will check it you will see that in progress. Then when you will see it's okay, you can understand that your documents is 100% okay. They check it and they make sure status is okay. Selection process, proof of ST score, you have to also give here ST score as, and then BPD Uni-Assist. As I have the BPD Uni-Assist, I am uploading it. Actually I am just showing up the application process. Even I am not sure about this application, this university's requirement. If I will check it up, then if I would like to see that this application is matched with my brother's profile, then I will completed the all documents, upload all documents and send the. After completing, must remember that after completing, after submitting here all the documents, see, actually here is uh, GRE, you no need to give because this is optional. You can see, you can check it from the university's website, the requirement section, and see, actually proof of Germany one. This is also not mandatory, but after the first semester or at the end of the first semester, you have to give these documents. So getting offer letter or getting letter of admission, it is not necessary, but you must have to give these documents, and then you will come here, see, actual overview. So you can see here the application. When you send the application, then you can see here view application, and if you click the see, actually if I click the send application, then it's sent to the university. Okay, so then it's sent to the university, and university will accept the application, and then you can see, actually view the application status. This is the application information about all about application information. And if you will receive letter of admission, then you will see that actually here admission is available or rejected, you can see here. And you can see also after completing your uh, you can also click here upload documents, and then you can also complete your uploading documents. Must remember that this is in progress, this is received. Okay is 100% okay. If they are reject any documents, then they will also give the reasons. What is the reasons for rejecting, you can see here, and by seeing the reason you will make, or you will collect your documents again, then give the proper documents and upload again. And then when you will see that it's okay, you can understand that your application will be processed. You would get letter of admission or letter of rejection. But if you're any without the optional 2-1, I mean actually GRE and German language certificate, without this 2-1, if all your documents upload must be okay. See, actually in progress, it must be okay. If rejected, give again actually the documents by correction. So yeah, like this way you can apply, and you can check your documents. And after completing your application, you must see the status of your application from here. And here is the upload overview, and here is your application overview, and here is short instruction. I think you will able to apply, and if you would like to apply more subjects, so this is very easy. uh, Click here, select further courses, as many as courses you can apply this to in I mean actually this university, because this university's application is direct application, but before start your application you have to collect a BPD. Must remember that you will have to collect this BPD from Uni-Assist. So how you will apply for BPD, I will show you in another videos, and I will show you all the details of the Uni-Assist in another videos. In another video, you must have to collect actually BPD from Uni-Assist, and must remember that if you want to get BPD, it's take 4 to 6 weeks. So before application is started, before 1 month or 1.5 month ago, you have to apply for your BPD to Uni-Assist, and then Uni-Assist give you a BPD. I mean your overview of your profile. Then that by that BPD, you will only able to apply Technische Hochschule Ingolstadt. Without this, you will not able to apply. And I will also give you one information that by THI's BPD, you will also able to apply some other universities who where requirement is BPD, and all not all universities, because some university only accept their individual and their own BPD from Uni-Assist, and some university also accept others universities BPD. So try to check it out from the university's requirement. If you also do not understand from university's requirement, there you will each and every universities or maximum universities website, you will see the course coordinator name. So mail him or her, then he or she will inform you about all the details if you have any doubt. And I am requesting you that which universities need which university has application fee or you need to expense. So before that, very carefully try to check the university's requirement. If you are 100% sure that your profile is 100% match with the university's requirement, then go for application. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you have any questions, don't forget to comment down, and don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you in Germany.